For the historic 2008 presidential elections, the stakes had never been higher, and voters needed help. The presidential debates were established in 1960 to provide a public forum to view their candidates via the burgeoning medium of television. But today, those televised debates aren't enough. Voters demand interaction. That's why the Commission on Presidential Debates approached us to develop an idea that would bring the presidential campaign and the debates into the 21st century. We wanted to create pure, streamlined functionality. The problem to be solved wasn't to sell the debates or any candidate.
The Commission, since we were started in '87, has looked for multipliers. And clearly, the internet and technology in general is a way for us to reach more people and engage more people in talking about the debates as well as watching them.
Once we developed the idea, we partnered with MySpace and Fleckr, leveraging their infrastructure and technical capabilities. Together, we created mydebates.org, an interactive tool set that is designed to help me understand the issues, help me focus on the issues that matter most to me, help me compare my positions to the candidates, help me strip away the punditry and review the data, help me watch the debates on my schedule, help me keep track of how the candidates are doing, help me search for and find specific clips from the debates where the candidates talk about an issue I care about most, help me submit a question for the town hall debate, help me connect with the larger My Debates community, help me make a more informed, confident decision this November. The My Debates tools were housed on MySpace and distributed through a grab-and-go model of Web 2.0 to be used on my terms, in my places, and on my schedule. The tool quickly spread through the online and offline world. Within days, both candidates and their VP nominees had friended My Debates. Thousands of active participants created hundreds of live forums to debate and discuss the issues, the candidates, and their opinions. The Commission on Presidential Debates has been thrilled with the results, which so far include 280 million total media impressions, 1.2 million total visitors, 10 minutes average time spent per visit, 25,000 questions for the town hall debate. As Bob Schieffer, the host of the final debate, reminded us all,
I'd like to invite our viewers and listeners to go to mydebates.org.
It was absolutely a success, and I think, we learned quite a bit.
My Debates was a huge step forward. It clearly was a first step, but it was an historic step.
We've successfully helped move the Commission and the debates beyond just the traditional TV world into the digital world and to deliver on the Commission's mission in new and more useful ways. A step forward that will only evolve and expand in elections to come.